What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be installing our handbrake into our drift stang. I did some boring stuff off camera already. I already removed the center console out of the car and then finalized the exact location that I want to put the shifter in the car. You see I have this bracket here. This is how we're going to mount the handbrake to the actual car itself. So you can see it's going to use the two existing bolt holes that are already in the car. And then I have a hole here and a tab on the side here. I'm going to tack weld these two tabs to the actual car, and then I'll use bolts for the front. But this is what it looks like, and I think it turned out pretty good. The only thing I may want to change later in the future is raise the handbrake up. So if I need to do that, I'll just put spacers in between this bracket and the handbrake to bring it up. So the first task for today would be install this bracket to the car, and then we need to cut a hole in the center console to fit around this bracket. So I borrowed this welder from a buddy, and I forgot to get a welding mask. So today I get to do the good old look away and tack.
Go for it.
So I just got the bracket tacked in. So now I'm gonna put the master cylinder on the handbrake bracket, and then we're gonna have to figure out where we're gonna cut the center console so we can put the center console over this. So I wanted to keep as much of this plastic as possible, try and make it look as clean as I possibly can, but it looks like I'm gonna have to cut out this middle section here, and I need to cut more on this side. Because you see this is hanging off in limbo, and I'm gonna have to cut farther back because this is not close to the mounting. So we got the hole for our handbrake cut out. We got it all cleaned up, radius the edges the best that I could. So we're done with this step for now. Okay, so we got the line kit here. This is going to the master cylinder, and then obviously this is going to go to the 2 rear brakes.
Yeah, so handbrake, the lines will run right here underneath the console. One to the left side, one to the right side, and they'll go right through that hole.
I'm just going to slit this grommet. Slit this grommet with a razor blade and then just run my line through it.
Perfect.
So this is the adapter for the master cylinder. So I'm going to start at the master cylinder and then work my way back to the rear brakes.
Very nice, very nice.
If you notice that it's super dark in here, it's because the garage lights stopped working and the house lights. Have to fix that later after this.
After we're done working on the car.
I mean, the goal is obviously to have the line as far away towards the center of the car as possible, so I don't have to worry about the wheel hitting it. I'm just gonna follow the handbrake cable. Keep it simple. So this is what I'm gonna use. I'm sure you've seen these before, these little mounts with rubber. I'll get a nut for the bolt on the other side, and you see this hole right here on the bracket for the handbrake, the parking brake itself. I'm gonna make this bolt go through that hole with a nut, and I'll hold it like that. Got .4 because you don't mess around. Why get 3 when you can get 4? This is the best part. You think I'm gonna let you do it? Come on now.
Just slowly drinking some fluid.
I'm gonna go make sure it's not pissing all over the floor.
Consensus?
Everything's good. You want to check the carpet dweller over there?
No, that'll be fun. Let's leave it for a surprise. Oh my God. Mark, did you tighten these?
Yeah.
Marcus, come look.
You're joking, right?
No, dude, we're leaking. Look. Go ahead, pull the carpet back.
Everything's fine. I hate working with you.
No, you don't. Take it back. Close it.
Pump some more. I saw some air.
Go ahead. Close it.
There's still a little bit of air. Keep going.
Close. Good.
Yeah.
Dude, I think we're done.
Acres on acres, I said fucking neighbor. Yeah, we eat good, everything catered. Kavera is the name, Siobhan, she the fragrance. Hella missed calls, cause I don't have patience. Playing Kurt Cobain, finding Nirvana. Stepping in the club and I hear oh nana. Feelings on Novocaine, I don't get caught up. Riding down the coast screaming out oh la 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 la. They hitting my line telling me I'm too legit. We stop being healthy, all we do is stack chips. Like I'm 6'9", all these colors on my wrist. Burberry raincoat, all we do is drip. Mamacita, no lamaritas. Patron half gas, 3-stripe Adidas. Sunset late night, we just whipping beamers. All the money get washed, take it out the cleaners. She hitting my line like a kid.
Alright, that's the end of the video. As always, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.
Oh, man, I'm so tired of these fake hoes. GLE coupe on some 4GOs. Been up on game like a cheat code. Guy code, I keep 15. I've been putting on.